Is your Galaxy S26 Ultra screen constantly dimming just when you step into the sun? It's frustrating, but it's actually got some easy fixes. So let's unlock the full power and maximize the display brightness. So first, from settings, you're gonna go to display, and here's the secret. Just turn off adaptive brightness. That's it. The moment you turn adaptive off, a new toggle appears, extra brightness. Toggle it on. Now since you're in display, next just scroll down and turn off eye comfort shield and adaptive color tone if these are turned on. These features add a yellow tint that makes the screen look muddy and dim outdoors. But if your screen is still not bright enough, even if everything is turned off and on, we've just shown you, let's open settings once again. Go to accessibility, vision enhancements, scroll down and just toggle off extra dim if it's turned on. You will immediately see your screen brightens up. Now let's go ahead and check one more battery settings. Open settings, go to battery, scroll down, and if automatically dim screen at 5% battery is turned on, you can switch it off to keep the screen at maximum brightness. Just one quick tip. If the phone gets too hot, it may dim the screen to protect itself. So if you're at the beach or by the pool, just try to keep the phone in a shaded area to maintain maximum brightness all the time. That's all for today. Thanks for your time.